We'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your pickup. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click in this sign down here. So when you just click on it, in me here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, then you come here to interface sounds. Just click here in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here interface sounds is this, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable this sign. I wish now you accurate. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.